Okay, now what do we have left? Well, we got the chamfering and the engraving. Let's go ahead and do the chamfering. Now for chamfering, you want, if your chamfer is modeled on the part, then you're going to be using the bottom edge of the chamfer, not the top. So the bottom edge is what we're going to be selecting. If there's no chamfer there, obviously, you're going to be using the top edge because that's the only edge that's available. So let's go ahead and do 2 axis. We're going to do chamfering, and we're going to select these bottom edges. We're just going to work our way around. Nope, not that. If you select something that you don't want, just hold the control key down while you pick, and it'll unpick it. So we got that edge. We'll go over here, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay, so we've got those edges selected. We're going to use the only V-bit that we have. For this operation, you can chamfer with a V-bit or a chamfer mill, which is just it's a flat end mill with a flat on the bottom with tapered sides. We're going to go ahead and use the V-bit because it's a 45-degree chamfer. Okay, so we've got the chamfering operation done. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Zoom in a little bit. We're chamfering on the right side. You see that the tip of the tool is down below. Let's just double check something here. I want to see the tool tip clearance. So we have a tool tip clearance of 5 thousandths. Okay, so what that means is the tip of the V mill is extending past this edge by 5 thousandths. Okay, so let's look at this from a front elevation, or actually from, we'll do a right side elevation. Okay, so if you look at the tool path, you'll see that here is the chamfer and is extending 5 thousandths below the edge of the chamfer to get a nice clean edge right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll go back up to the top view, isometric view. Okay, let's do those chamfers. Okay, let's simulate this, slow this way down. Okay, okay. Okay, and let's play that. Okay, so we need to simulate the rest of those real quick. So let's just run this whole simulation for all of them just so we can see it. So we're going to do the deep drilling, the additional deep drilling, the pocketing, high-speed pocketing, I should say, and we do the facing, and then we're going to do the profiling, and we're going to do the pocketing, counterbore pocketing, okay, so let's do the slotting. Okay, got the slots in there. Now we're going to do another pocketing. All right, so now let's go do our chamfering. There you go. We've got a nice cut chamfer edge all the way around there. You'll see the toolpath, how it extends below the edge. Now, I do want to show you one thing in the parameters. If you don't have a chamfer feature, you just have the edge, then you would use geometry at top, and you look at this little picture here. You see the point that you're selecting is at the top of the part. Okay, obviously this bottom edge is not going to be there because you don't have the chamfer there, so you would select the top edge. Let's cancel out of that.